Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, December 2nd. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY IWM and triple Qs. And after a pretty violent sell-off late in the day yesterday and most of the afternoon, we are all lingering at our lower levels. As you can see, I have these in like 20 tick increments, both IWM and Qs for now. But as you can see, all the volume being done between the price probes and the single prints. Remember, Russell went out with at least 2 sets. I'm not sure if they had one in L. I think they did. So 3 sets of singles. We went out with 1 set, as did triple Qs. My line in the sand right now is last month's low, which is above the price probe, but below the single print fill. So for me to change my mind that buyers are trying to wrestle control back from sellers, we need to take back the price spike, get inside last month's low, fill the single prints, and get acceptance into the upper distribution. If they do that, and all that was some emotional selling, well, they could stop the bleeding. You would love to take out yesterday's high, but I'm not looking for that. We had a $14 range on the first day of the month. It's going to be tough to top this month, a $14 range. We do have the whole month in front of us, but the longer we stay below last month's low, and if this double distribution day holds, the more likely you're going to test into the low 440 level, and then again, that needs to hold, or you can possibly see the other monthly low of 426 and the 200-day moving average. Right now, my overnight low is 449.50. Overnight highs, we have it all over the place here on Schwab and everything else. I had one at 462.76, one at 458.96, and one at 454.61. So they're all over the place. So once I get into the trading room, ES's overnights are a lot more accurate than SPY's are. So we'll use that overnight high. As far as a game plan for this morning, well, again, there's 75 minutes to go. For now, we're opening with lower value, but in balance. You can take shorts. Now, obviously this market went out short last night and it's continued to push lower. Yes, it's above where we closed, so some shorts are covering. But, so everybody's going to say the overnight is long. To me, the market's still short because there was so much of it yesterday with good volume. I mean, the pre-market volume right now is fairly good at 1.1 million, but we did 100 and somewhat million yesterday with a lot of it coming late in the day to the downside. So the shorts haven't been alleviated. So the shorts are not going to get worried unless the buyers get acceptance above J's low, which is around half back. Again, I'm in wide increments here. I'll see once I go into ones. So the key for sellers is to stay below J's low, keep value at least overlapping to low, if not lower. And obviously for the bulls, it's the complete opposite. They want to get value unchanged and get acceptance into the upper distribution. So until they prove that, you can take a short against the price probe. If it gets accepted in, I would get out because, again, between L's low and M's high, tremendous heat. M's range yesterday was over $5. Okay? Then again, if it gets up to around M's high and the last month's low, you could take another short, and then you can see how much heat you want to take between M's high and the single prints being filled. Those are shorts. As far as a long, if you get any acceptance into L, then you can take a long to see how much we get up to M's high and use L's low as your out if it was to back off again. I really wouldn't take a long against yesterday's low. That I don't think I would do. But if we get acceptance above, now another key thing is the 50-day moving average. Now, right now it's at 452.71. We're trading right above it. That's going to be key. If we can get above it and get acceptance into L, you can definitely take a long and use either L's low or the 50-day moving average as your out. They're only about 30 cents apart, so that's not a bad risk-reward trade to see if we get more of an inventory adjustment towards M's high. So there's a lot of little plays in here that you can do. If you're in the room, we'll be giving these to you live as they're happening. And on the chart, monthly is now in balance. The lower we go, the more likely I will incorporate October's monthly into the balance. If we're able to defend yesterday's low, then I'd probably just call it 2-month balance for now. But we're in balance. The weekly is down, clearly down, and the daily. Believe it or not, I'm calling the daily balance because we took out yesterday's high and then we had an outside day down. So if we take out yesterday's low, daily will clearly be down. If we stay inside, again, you can call it down. You can call. I would still call it balance if we had an inside day. So the monthly balance, weekly down, daily balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.